ayibonanga phela useleshintsha phambi kokuthi usimbuka swear ukuthi ubanele, and it's so exciting to watch. So trust me when I say that it took as a telenovela for you to watch this week. Let us talk about Sanele's plans to kill Gadla and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I actually thought that after killing Gadla's friend, Sanele was going to be miserable, scared and boring, but to my surprise, he stood tall and keeps on entertaining us with his new character. I actually saw it when he stood up against Ntanzi when Ntanzi came to demand 30% of their new tender. Hey, I really thought it was Banel. Then, he went on to shoot Gadla's guy who was threatening to shoot Makhumalo if Sanele doesn't sign Gadla's contract. Bafana, uvele washaya inhlavu phakathi namehlo. And lapho besilindele ukuthi uzowethuka akhale, angazi ukuthi kanjani, but he was brave enough to come up with a plan to get rid of that guy's body, which shocked everyone, including Makhumalo and Bongeni. Phela bamjwayele ithithiza lo mfana, manje bakhathazekile ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaye, and bathe besathuswe yiloko walanda zonke izibhamu zikaBanele ukuthi ubulala uGadla nama-bodyguards wakhe. Nalapho futhi yakhona as one man, cabanga. But then he couldn't get inside. Umbongeni came and stopped him, telling him it was dangerous because he was going there alone. And then he agreed to stop and went back home. But still, that doesn't stop Sanele's plans of killing Gadla. He is still very much determined to kill the guy once and for all. He is now trying to find ways to lure him into coming to their side without his bodyguard. So we now wait to see if his plans are gonna end up coming together or what, because Gadla on the other hand is very smart. I guess we'll see what happens as more episodes air. For more reviews and recaps, subscribe to this channel, and if you enjoy content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.